Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I'm a pediatric physical therapist. I am here with my co-instructor. His name is Winston, and I am pretending like today that he has a left-sided torticollis. And children who has left-sided torticollis, this left side of neck muscle is working way too hard. We need the right side to work as well. So one of the things you can do is work on one-handed pull to sits. So you roll them off to the side to his left side, and you hold his right hand and you pull him up to sitting. Hi. Nice. Good. Pushing. I love that one. And come on up. Whoop. Yes. Beautiful. So I'm stabilizing the pelvis, rolling him off to one side, and bringing him up. Why don't we have that hand down to help? It's an easy way to work on strengthening the right side. Tends not to be as strong on a child who has left-sided torticollis. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.